The technology is different, but the challenges are very similar. So I think a lot of it is actually about evolving the business. They're the real challenges at sort of my level that you should be worrying about. And, you go through these phases. I mentioned the garage operation, the kind of prototype shop. You move from that to kind of your first flight hardware, and it becomes a lot more controlled, but it's still onesie twosies. And then the next stage is, well, actually, you're not building one or two of these anymore. It's like hundreds, and the first one has to operate the same as the hundredth engine that comes off. So repeatability becomes an issue. So you get these phases where innovation is really important. Then it's about control. Engineers not in the clean room actually touching the hardware anymore. It's technicians. It's more formality and procedures. It's getting ISO accredited. All of those things. Some people embrace that, and some people are just more comfortable at different stages of the business. So getting the organization to kind of evolve without losing all the good things you've had at each of those stages is really challenging, right? It's if you can do that, so you retain both the innovation piece, but you also have the kind of volume production piece. That's the real trick for me. And yeah, coming into Agile was new for me, in that other startups I've been there from day one, or very close to day one. With Agile, it's different. You're coming in and the business is already 60 people. It's been operating for maybe 12 years, I think it was, when I came in. And so you've quickly got to get some of these things happening, which need to be done, but you don't have the ability to be able to calibrate everything you're seeing. So yeah, building the airplane as you're flying it, but also not even having a manual and like knowing who the crew was. Yeah, that was probably the biggest challenge there.